everyone! Magandang gabi at happy weekend! Let's continue with our Tagalog homograph words, second set, and our first word ay lobo. Lobo. Lobo could either mean balloon or wolf. Same pronunciation, lobo. Lobo. And second homograph word ay ligaw. Ligaw, ligaw. Ligaw means courtship. And for the ladies, if there's a guy who's courting you, manliligaw. Manliligaw. Courtship, ligaw. And ligaw, ligaw means stray or wild. Example ay with stray cat, ligaw na pusa. Pusa, cat. Ligaw na aso. Aso, dog. Stray animal, ligaw na hayop. Stray bullet, ligaw na bala. Ligaw, ligaw. We have mahal. Mahal could either mean expensive or love. Also, same pronunciation, mahal. 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 Hi, mahal. Yes. Yes, mahal. Andito na ako sa store. Yeah. 3? Okay. Alright. Miss, excuse me. Magkano sa pen? I wanna get 3 of these. Magkano? $5 kada isa. Eto? $5 kada isa? Ang mahal. Mama or mama means mom. And it is one of the many ways that moms are called. There's nanay, and it is shortened to nay. And there's inay, and of course, mama or mama. So it's just a matter of preference on how you want the word to be pronounced, or how you want to pronounce the word mama or mama. But if you pronounce the word mama, 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 it refers to a male stranger. So if, let's say, someone's knocking on the door, so you went and check it, and there's a male or a stranger, and you don't know who that is, and your mom asks you, or someone asks you, who's that? You can say, oh, my mama, there's a guy on the front door and I don't know him, or like he's a stranger. My mama, there's a mama, my mama. Mama or mama means mom, and mama, a male stranger. Last one, mahirap. Mahirap. Mahirap could either mean poor or hard. And same pronunciation, mahirap. Mahirap. Never mind. $5 for a pen? I'm not rich. Mahirap lang ako. Okay. Mahirap talaga magbenta. Ayan lang para ngayong gabi. That's all for tonight. Bye. Good night na.